Slim Kells the brainiac. You know? Yeah. We gotta do things right now. We're doing it. Yeah. We're killing them. Hey yo, Slim Kells, I see ya. It's T-Rex, lyrically I'm a terrorist. I don't give a yak about the rules, nor the emphasis. I'm the light that they talk about in Genesis. So all these rappers run cause I bring forth your nemesis. I'm cold-blooded with the flows like a reptile. Don't f with me, I swear to God I send you exile. I'm on every track I'm on, check my profile, I'm on one. Give it up for the lyrical most high. And right now I'ma hop up on my spaceship. Haters, you can meet me up in hyperspace base. Cause where I'm heading right now they can never reach. So I tell them to stay down, lean back and wish. I spit kills to the point, they call me a monster. One test me, what a shame, I put you on coma. Offend me and you just make your mama sober. I'ma be in charge day to day till the game is over.
We still on top, homie. F4 they talking. My bricks already filled, so your haters stopping. Still moving really fast, though those haters trying to stop us. We're the best, why they act like they don't really know us? We taking over, we taking over. Somebody told us, baby rappers, that we taking over. We taking over, we taking over. Somebody please tell us, babies, that we taking over.
I'm what they mean when they talk about flyness. High on the rhymes, all hail your royal highness. I'm cute with the flows, y'all know I'm the finest. See me on the mic, I deserve a little silence. On God's speed and I'm never stopping. Yeah, I'm the who smiles through his pain and suffering. I've been around for a while, so F what they talking. I'm killing this, better tell them to get a coffin. See, I'm a king and it's time for my coronation. So all these rappers coming up, I be the motivation. Just so you know, my flow is gone past the federation. I fulfill my dreams like the boy in the Revelation. Now just because the boy dope, they say I smoke skunk. The way I rose to the top, man, it's still a shock. And right now I'm the hottest in the block. So even if you tie my hands and legs, I'ma still rock.
We still on top, homie. F4 they talking. My bricks already filled, so your haters stopping. Still moving really fast, though those haters try to stop us. We're the best, why they act like they don't really know us? We taking over, we taking over. Somebody told us, baby rappers, that we taking over. We taking over, we taking over. Somebody please tell us, babies, that we taking over.
Mic check 1, 2. I'm a legion. Haters try to come around me like a legion, but me no send them, me beef no religion. Cause we so high and your hands not for reach us. I cause commotion everywhere, on probation. Make them know near. Them they hate me, but me I no care. Like Two-Face, you don't wanna go there. I ain't no fat rap, so that make it come sooner than the usual. I am that individual that can ruin ya. Hello, I can ruin ya. Okay, I got the money and I got the flow. What more do you need, my bro? You pepper chasing and making. The haters sitting and watching, they coupling and they just wishing. We don't to the top, yeah, we to the top. So what the do you want?
We still on top, homie. F4 they talking. My bricks already filled, so your haters stopping. Still moving really fast, though those haters try to stop us. We're the best, why they act like they don't really know us? We taking over, we taking over. Somebody told us, baby rappers, that we taking over. We taking over, we taking over. Somebody please tell us, babies, that we taking over.
It's Slim Kells on the mix.